Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start a limited liability company, LLC, in Pennsylvania. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an experienced business owner looking to expand, forming an LLC can provide numerous benefits for your business. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully establish your Pennsylvania LLC. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create an LLC in Pennsylvania. For this tutorial, we will be using Zen Business. I will leave the link in the description of this video to make it easier for you. It's an affiliate link. After clicking the link, you will be directed to Zen Business official website. Then click on the Start Your Business button. Step 2. Select your state and business type. Choose Pennsylvania as your state and LLC as your business type. Step 3. Choose your Zen Business plan. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Zen Business offers 3 tiers: Starter, Pro, and Premium. Each comes with different features and pricing. Step 4. Enter your business information. Provide details about your LLC, including your desired business name, business address, industry type, number of members. Step 5. Name your LLC. Enter your preferred LLC name. Zen Business will check its availability in Pennsylvania. Step 6. Choose a registered agent. Decide whether you want to be your own registered agent or use Zen Business's registered agent service. Step 7. Select additional services. Choose any additional services you may need, such as an EIN or operating agreement. Step 8. Review and confirm your order. Double-check all the information you've entered and review your selected services. Step 9. Provide payment information. Enter your payment details to complete the order. Step 10. Submit your order. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, submit your order. Step 11. Wait for processing. Zen Business will prepare and file your certificate of organization with the Pennsylvania Department of State. Step 12. Receive confirmation. Once your LLC is officially formed, Zen Business will send you confirmation and your LLC formation documents. Remember, after forming your LLC, you'll need to create an operating agreement, obtain necessary business licenses and permits, set up a business bank account, comply with ongoing Pennsylvania LLC requirements, such as filing the decennial report every 10 years. By using Zen Business, you can simplify the LLC formation process and ensure all necessary steps are completed accurately. Now you finish create your LLC, congratulations, but hear me carefully, this is the most important part. What is an LLC? Before we dive into the specifics, let's briefly discuss what an LLC is. A limited liability company is a business structure that combines the personal asset protection of a corporation with the tax benefits and flexibility of a partnership. LLCs offer their owners, called members, limited liability protection, meaning their personal assets are typically protected from the company's debts and liabilities. Benefits of forming an LLC in Pennsylvania. There are several advantages to forming an LLC in Pennsylvania. 1. Limited liability protection. As mentioned, this protects your personal assets from business debts and liabilities. 2. Flexible management structure. LLCs can be managed by members or appointed managers, offering flexibility in how the business is run. 3. Pass-through taxation. By default, LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities, meaning the business itself doesn't pay taxes on its income. 4. Credibility. Having LLC after your business name can lend credibility to your company. 5. Perpetual existence. Pennsylvania LLCs can exist indefinitely, regardless of ownership changes. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of forming your LLC in Pennsylvania. Step 1. Choose a name for your Pennsylvania LLC. Selecting the right name for your LLC is crucial. It's not just about branding. There are legal requirements you must follow. Pennsylvania LLC. Naming rules. 1. Your LLC name must contain the words Limited Liability Company, Limited, or Company, or an abbreviation of one of these terms, e.g., LLC, LLC, or Ltd. 2. The name must be distinguishable from other business entities registered with the Pennsylvania Department of State. 3. Certain words are restricted and may require additional paperwork or licenses. These include words like bank, insurance, university, etc. 4. Your name cannot imply that the LLC is organized for a purpose other than what is stated in its certificate of organization. Checking name availability. Before settling on a name, you need to ensure it's available. Use the Pennsylvania Department of State's Business Entity Search tool to check if your desired name is already taken. Name reservation. If you're not ready to file your LLC formation documents yet, you can reserve your chosen name for up to 120 days by filing a name reservation form with the Pennsylvania Department of State. This costs $70. Step 2. Choose a registered office. In Pennsylvania, LLCs are required to have a registered office. This is the official address where your LLC will receive important legal and tax documents. Requirements for a registered office. 1. It must be a physical street address in Pennsylvania. P.O. boxes are not acceptable. 2. It must be open during regular business hours. 3. It can be your business address, your home address, if you live in Pennsylvania, or the address of a registered agent service. Using a registered agent service. While you can serve as your own registered agent, many business owners choose to use a professional registered agent service like Zen Business. This offers several advantages. 1. Privacy. Your home address won't be on public record. 2. Flexibility. You don't have to be available at your registered office during all business hours. 3. Compliance. Professional services ensure you don't miss important notices or deadlines. Step 3. File the Certificate of Organization. The Certificate of Organization is the document that officially creates your LLC in Pennsylvania. Filing the Certificate of Organization. 1. You can file online through the Pennsylvania Department of State's website or by mail. 2. The filing fee is $125. 3. Processing time is typically 7 to 10 business days for standard filing. Information required for the Certificate of Organization. 1. LLC name. 2. Name and address of the registered office. 3. Names and addresses of organizers. 4. Effective date of formation, if different from filing date. 5. Signature of organizer. Expedited filing. If you need your LLC formed quickly, Pennsylvania offers expedited processing for an additional fee. Same-day service, $100 extra. 3-hour service, $300 extra. 1-hour service, $1,000 extra. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While Pennsylvania doesn't legally require LLCs to have an operating agreement, it's highly recommended. What is an operating agreement? An operating agreement is an internal document that outlines how your LLC will be run. It typically includes 1. Ownership structure and percentages. 2. Member roles and responsibilities. 3. Voting rights and decision-making processes. 4. Profit and loss distribution. 5. Rules for adding or removing members. 6. Dissolution procedures. Benefits of an operating agreement. 1. It clarifies verbal agreements between members. 2. It can help prevent and resolve conflicts. 3. It adds legitimacy to your LLC in the eyes of courts, banks, and other institutions. 4. It allows you to customize the rules of your LLC rather than defaulting to state laws. Zen Business offers customizable operating agreement templates as part of their formation packages, making this step easier for new LLC owners. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is like a social security number for your business. It's required for tax purposes, opening business bank accounts, and hiring employees. How to get an EIN. 1. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 2. The process is free and can be completed in minutes. 3. You'll receive your EIN immediately upon successful application. When you need an EIN, if your LLC has more than one member, if you plan to hire employees, if you choose to have your LLC taxed as a corporation, even if not required, getting an EIN is generally a good idea for all businesses. Step 6. Comply with tax and regulatory requirements. After forming your LLC, there are several tax and regulatory requirements you need to address. Pennsylvania business taxes. 1. Sales. Tax. If you sell physical products, you'll need to register for a sales tax permit. 2. Employer taxes. If you have employees, you'll need to register for unemployment insurance tax and employee withholding tax. 3. Corporate net income tax. While most LLCs are pass-through entities, If you elect to be taxed as a corporation, you'll need to pay this tax. Business licenses and permits. Pennsylvania doesn't have a general business license requirement, but depending on your industry and location, you may need specific licenses or permits. 1. Check with your local county and city governments for any local licensing requirements. 2. Some industries, like food service, healthcare, construction, require state-level licenses. 3. Use the PA Business One-Stop Shop to help identify which licenses and permits you might need. Step 7. Annual reporting and ongoing compliance. To keep your LLC in good standing, you'll need to meet certain ongoing requirements. Decennial report. Pennsylvania requires LLCs to file a decennial report every 10 years and years, ending in 1, 2021, 2031, etc. This report confirms or updates your LLC's registered office address. Taxes. Ensure you file all required state and federal tax returns on time. Maintaining records. Keep accurate and up-to-date records of your LLC's financial transactions, member meetings, and major decisions. Using Zen Business to form your Pennsylvania LLC. While you can form an LLC on your own, many entrepreneurs choose to use a formation service like Zen Business to simplify the process. Benefits of using Zen Business. 1. Simplified process. Zen Business handles the paperwork and filing for you, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors. 2. Registered agent service. They offer a year of registered agent service with their formation packages. 3. Compliance support. Zen Business provides tools and reminders to help keep your LLC compliant with state requirements. 4. Additional services. They offer additional services like EIN obtainment, operating agreement templates, and business websites. 5. Affordable pricing. Zen Business offers competitive pricing for their LLC formation services. To use Zen Business, simply visit their website, choose your package, and follow their guided process to provide the necessary information about your LLC. Starting an LLC in Pennsylvania involves several steps, from choosing a name to ongoing compliance. While it may seem daunting, taking it step by step and utilizing resources like Zen Business can make the process much smoother. Remember, forming an LLC is just the beginning of your business journey. Continue to educate yourself about business management, stay compliant with state and federal regulations, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. We hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to start an LLC in Pennsylvania. Good luck with your new business venture.